Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
So,
Good
as
morning, ma'am.
Tasneem discussed, we are going to know more about international exams. Okay, do you want to know?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I'm going to discuss you about Pirls exam. Okay, it's also an international exam. Okay, Pirls exam. Clear? Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the screen now?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We can see that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, PERS, as you see, PERS, the full form of PERS is Progress in International Reading Literacy Study. Okay, Progress in International Reading Literacy Study. So this is related to English. Mainly it is related to English. Okay, reading comprehension. As you know, you have for your exam and all, you are getting your first comprehension passages, and you are answering no the same way. Okay, can you hear me? Please
Yeah.
reply.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is
Yes,
an
ma'am.
international exam conducted by IEA. IEA is an international association for the evaluation of educational achievement. So IEA is conducting this exam to evaluate the educational achievement of the students. Okay, and to study about their educational achievement and how much they understood while they are reading and all. Okay, this is mainly for fourth grade class, and IEA mainly focuses on the subjects like maths, science, reading, computer, information literacy, and teacher education. So many exams are conducting. Okay, so here ma'am discussed about the other exam. Then many exams are there internationally conducting like this course, and TIMS is there for grade 4 and 8, and in maths and science, and IBT is there for grade 3 to 9. CAT 4 is there for grades 3, 4, 6, and 8, and ASAT is for grade 3 to 9. So like that, PERS is for grade 4 in English reading. Okay, comprehension passage will be given for that. And then this exam, it's actually worldwide to know the worldwide standard for reading comprehension at the fourth grade. And I told you it has been conducted by IEA since 2001. So it is conducting actually this exam. This IEA has been conducted by since 2001. So we should understand why this course is conducting, why this exam is conducting by IEA. Actually, PERS is an assessment conducted to improve reading. We are reading, we are reading more, and so we should know how much you understood when we are reading, how much thing you can understand when you are reading. That is why PERS is conducting this exam to improve your reading. We are just not just reading. When we read, we should understand the content of the reading. Okay, everything we have to understand. Then we should assess reading achievement in fourth grade. So this exam is conducting to achieve, to know about how much you well aware of reading and fourth grade. Okay, when you are in fourth grade, how much you can understand while you are reading. Then it also provides data internationally on how well children read, and it is to improve learning and teaching. When we are studying for every subject, what we are doing, we are reading, then we are learning. Okay, so for learning, first we should understand what it is the inside or the content of the subject, what it is there. So it is a exam is conducting to improve your learning, and not only for learners, to the students also, exam to the teachers also, because exam is not when how teacher is teaching you, to understand that also. And it's for children's learning development. So while they're conducting, they should understand the weakness of the children. After the exam, we can understand what are the weak feedback, okay, what are the weaknesses of the children, and how much they have to improve in particular areas. So to improve the children's learning development, and through that way, effectively children's educational system they can develop, and then to identify areas of improvement also. Okay, then first of all, Pearls was I told you since 2001 it has been started. So Pearls was a paper-based assessment, but now it's COVID, and we know that before that, and because of 50 more than 50 countries are involving in this exam. They are writing 50 countries, students from 50 countries are writing this exam. So first of all, it was a paper-based assessment. Now I introduced the e-Pearls also, online reading comprehension task also. So this e-Pearls presents reading passages which will be visually attractive and motivate students. Okay, it will attract students and motivate students because it is visually attractive, and it also gives a rich experience and increase their operational efficiency, how much they understood all those things. And it will also give them a chance to read and interact with the test and answer comprehension questions. And reading the passages, you can read the passages and you can answer the questions. And passages, you know, which will be about almost 500 to 800 words. Sometimes it will be different, and this passages text will be from plays, magazines, newspapers, as well as emails, and from short messages also they can take. And information can be presented. So sometimes it will be through charts, lists, graphs, or diagrams. And you know, in addition, reading assessment also gives evaluation of school, teachers, student, and home questionnaires. There will be questions related to school. There will be questions related to teacher, students, and home also. Why? Because they have to gather information about how the school facilitates learning, how the school gives learning, and how they give the environment, how the school is giving education to the children. And they should also understand how home environment, how home is supporting them for learning, and then how instruction occurs in the classroom. Actually, through this exam is evaluating the students' teachers also, students' school and students' teacher and students' home, how all these things are supporting the children. Okay, then I'll show you one question also. Okay, one question way passage also I'll show you now. Okay, please wait. You just listen now. Okay, one passage is given here, Reshalan. Okay, so here you can see two paragraphs. Can you see this? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait. Just read two paragraphs. Okay, just read this. Okay, then after this some questions also will be there, like this: who's Jack? What did Jack try to do when Charlotte? Okay, so this way the questions will come for you. So anyway, I think that you understood what I have taken. Pearls is related to, mainly it is related to reading English. Okay, English. So I'm gonna stop now. Okay.